Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to launch a template and differentiation between for AMA and template and why we go for template, right? Think before while we are creating any instance, we are manually installing the Apache server, right? For that worker and all. So yeah, to avoid that manual intervention, to create everything automatic, so we are creating template. Think this is an EC2 dashboard, right? Think like this EC2 is like a house. AMI is nothing but yesterday I shown you before my video. I shown you how to create an AMI. AMI is just like an empty OS house. Okay. A launching template is nothing but a full plan of how to use that house every time. I will show you. Come. I will show you how why we create this launch template. See, launch template is here, right? Here, AMI contains only operating systems. But while we are creating EC2, we also choose instance type, right? And key pair, security group, network, and user data. If we want to reuse all these settings again and again, AMI alone itself is not enough. That's why AMI, because it is a mission image, only OS image, it contains a big GB of data. But whereas templates is that's why we are creating this launch template. Create launch template. Now I am not creating EC2. I am just saving launch instruction. This saved plan is called launch template. So I am giving my template, right? This is test template. Here, description. Okay, see, provide guidance for auto scaling EC2. This template can be reused manually or without with auto scaling as well. Right, I'm selecting quick start. See here, I select AMI. AMI contains see, this AMI. This AMI contains OS is GBs of data. That's why AMI is very heavy. But here launching template does not store OS. It does not store this OS. Template remembers which host, I mean, it point to this AMI. It will not save the this image data. It will point to this setting only, point to this AMI only. This template won't store the OS data. It point out this information only. So the instant type is this one. I'm selecting free time. Okay, and this is the house size. Okay, two CPUs or 1 GB RAM. So existing pair I'm selecting for a key pair is like a house key. Templates remember which keys to use. So now coming to the security group. So I'm creating a security group is nothing but just like a watchman standing outside of our house gate. He decides who can enter from where. So security group and my security group. Okay. And also admin entry. Now we are adding security rule group. Okay. I'm selecting HTTP source. Okay. I'm also adding one more rule for HTTPS. Anyway, this required AWS certification, but I'm just saving for future purpose. It does not serve any websites. Differentiation between Apache and the security group, both are worker, but security group is like a watchman outside the gate. It does not serve any website. It allows or block the traffic only, the security group, incoming or outcoming to this house. Who can come? I am allowing SSH and HTTP web service, HTTPS security. Okay. Okay, network setting. This decides uh, where the house placed inside the AWS network. Now PBS volume resource advanced details. Coming to the advanced details, now I am adding the user data here itself. Okay. Remember, every time before when we are creating any instance, we need to install Apache Server separately by entering into the source server, right? It's not required. We can type that user data here itself. Every time when we launch this instance using this template, it will automatically install this Apache Server. So this commands install and starts Apache automatically when EC2 starts. Hyphen y we are giving s to all. Today the super user do like a parent permission enabling Apache 2. I'm starting the engine now. That's it. Okay. This is like when we enter into the house, light turns on automatically. Right? The user data also does the same thing here. So Apache is just like a worker inside the house. Apache is not like a watchman, he is the outsider. Apache is like a worker inside the house. It runs inside EC2, serves web pages, works on whichever ports that watchman allows inside here, like 80 port. Here we given for 80 HTTPS. Watchman allows guests inside, worker serve foods inside. Right? First, security groups allows the request, and then Apache serves the websites, whatever website pages is there. Technically, flow means like user request from the website outside. Security groups allows the ports from here, whatever ports we given, right? And request reaches this EC2 mission, and Apache sent the back to the web page. That's how it works. So I'm creating launching template. See here, my template is ready, but still EC2 is not created. So now I am creating, so I am a template, my template, launch template, see, my template. Okay, so action. Now launch instance from template. Now I am creating EC2 using this template, right? My temp, just verify my template. Application, see. Here AWS read the template and these templates point to this AMI only, pointing only. It is actually not said any data. It is just pointing to this AMI, Ubuntu server, okay? And the AMI gives this OS from here and EC2 instance then created. See there now. See these are the username, instant type. Okay, templates extra information we are having. Which what is instant type means house size 1 GB and key pair. Key is to enter the house. Network setting where to stay in AWS. Security group to enter into this house inside inbound and outbound room. Storage of user data and rest of the thing the server to create inside this install this Apache server to serve the website. The main difference between AMI and C, I am launching an instance now. Here the main difference between AMI is AMI contains OS, heavy GBs of data inside machine, no security group, no instance size, no auto scaling. Whereas this uh, launching template it no OS inside, very light setting, only settings. How mission starts, security included, instance size included, auto scaling is ready. Finally, I can say AWS built the empty OS house. You understand? See, we created. It is initializing stage. Okay, launch templates. Okay, using so right. AWS is, AMI built the empty OS house. Launch template stores full launch settings like security key plus like a Watchman Apache the worker inside. Okay, right. You understand, right? Now, what we done today here, launching the templates. It included everything: security group, network, instance type, along with the OS pointer only, not stores the OS image of all the data like AMI is doing, right? Once this is initialization checks are completed, we are ready. Instance is created using launch template. Yeah, let's complete this initialization. Yeah, this done. We are good. So we already installed the Apache server inside that, right? So let's open the page. Yeah, you see, it's working fine now. So in a next video, I will show you how to create an elastic load balancer, right? See you guys. Thanks for watching.